Charles Darwin might have been right if we didn't know otherwise because of technology that didn't exist in his day, but that was later on developed, being able to see into the micro world, being able to see DNA and molecules and individual atoms, which Charles Darwin's and his colleagues and other people who were of his mindset didn't have the privilege of. So they came up with theories that would fit the technology of the day, which wasn't accurate. But now we know that life is very complex, and it shows DNA, the cells, the cells of a body, whether it be in an animal or a human or an insect or a plant, is very, 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 very intricate, and it shows information. It shows what appears to be like a computerized program. It has directions and a blueprint, maps. It has it's like architectural drawings. It's like mathematics. It's not random. It's organized. It works. It works like a supercomputer, and it's like someone programmed it, and then it runs on this program. I'm not sure what triggers the program, or if it's just birth that triggers the program, or if it's something, a program that maybe it's a program that was originated thousands of years ago, that that even has a predictive power, like a computerized program that predicts the future, like successive generations, like who will be born next, who will be the next male and female of a certain individual, genetic lines, bloodlines. Maybe it's all predetermined because it was pre-programmed. But who programmed it? Who's the computer engineer? Who's the architect? Who's the builder? Because it doesn't appear, when you look at things underneath the microscope, it doesn't appear to be simple and doesn't appear to be simple or random. It's highly organized and sophisticated and very intelligent, and it has all the earmarks of a designer, some mastermind, some being that's like super, put it together, thought of it, and then put it down on paper, wrote it down in our DNA, the DNA being the paper. He wrote it down, and it shows a sequence, an organized sequence. So, isn't that proof that there's a God? That there's a supreme intellect, a supreme being, a supreme mind, a supreme organizer? I believe it does.